Popular American actor Christian Oliver and his two daughters died in Caribbean plane crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. U.S. actor Christian Oliver and his two daughters died in a plane crash near a tiny private island in the eastern Caribbean island, according to police report in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The crash occurred Thursday west of Pepit Nevis as the plane headed for nearby St. Lucia, the police said in a statement. Authorities have identified the daughters as Madetta Casper, age 10, and Anne Casper, age 12, adding that the pilot, Robert Sachs, also died in the crash. It wasn't immediately clear what caused the crash, according to the police. Authorities in the area said that fishermen and divers in the area went to the crash site to help as the St. Vincent and Grenadines Coast Guard headed to the area.
He dead. He dead. What now? I get up my camera.
The 51-year-old actor, born in Germany, had dozens of credited films and television roles to his name, including the 2008 film Speed Racer, The Good German, and also a 2006 film, World War II, which also starred George Clooney. He appeared throughout season 2 of the 90s series Saved by the Bell, the new class, playing a Swiss transfer student named Brian Keller. A number of individuals have took to social media just in order to express their sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come on the program. Thanks for watching.